She just wants to be beautiful. She goes unnoticed. She knows no limits. She craves attention. She praises an image. She prays to be sculpted by the sculptor.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm showing you this amazing Swiss lace from Super Bee Wigs, and it's a full lace wig, and it comes with an adjustable strap that's like clip on, and I love it, y'all. So now I'm just taking like an old plastic bowl, and then I'm going to use the dyeing brush. I'm not sure what the specific name is. Then I'm going to be taking some BW2 lightening powder, and I tend to overuse this stuff just because, like, I don't know, like when I'm digging it in there, it's just like so easy to, you know, put a lot. So I would say probably use like 1/4 of that cup, because when you're dyeing or bleaching frontals or lace fronts, it doesn't take a lot at all. You know, like a little goes a long way. Then I'm going to be using some 50 volume developer. If this is like your first time, I would not recommend this strong developer, because 50 is real strong. Like 50 is strong, bro. So I would just say you can start at like 30. That's basic. It's going to take longer for it to process, but you know, since I've been doing this for a minute, I just use 50 because, you know, I'm impatient. So there's no secret or anything, well, at least if it is a secret, you know, like they left me out the loop with it. I just basically just start, I just go in.
I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
So now it is time to rinse all these chemicals off of your lace. And as you can see, I kind of like over bleached some parts, but that doesn't matter, because when I customize the hairline, I'm probably gonna pluck those parts anyway, so it's all good. Now we're gonna be using the Shimmer Light shampoo. It's like a purple shampoo. I guess it's for like orange tones or whatever. I've seen it on videos before. Not even gonna lie to you. I don't use this every time, but I just wanted to emphasize the effects of using it. You know what I mean?
I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
This to me is literally the best part of the whole process, customizing the hairline. This right here makes or breaks the wig. Like, I'm being so serious. Like, If you got a nice plucked, customized, you know, good lace frontal or whatever, then you know, you feel like a bad bee, period. Even tried the Swiss lace, but basically what Swiss lace is that it can blend into any skin type. So you know how you have to have like a wig cap or whatever, or you have to like put makeup on it. So basically it's supposed to like prevent you from doing all that. You don't have to do all that. It says that you can melt it without having all that. You know, I'm extra, so I did all of that. But if you just look at this, you cannot even tell that this is a wig.